Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished dress. We continue working with the dolman sleeves dresses. These dresses made using the same pattern as for the last 4 dresses. Have a look at the dress. Dolman sleeves, princess seams, pockets, turtleneck collar. I couldn't resist showing you this dress. You saw it when it was stacked and made of modeling fabric. It looks absolutely different now. My shoes and accessories match the dress. This amazing dress was made on the basis of the very simple pattern. It didn't take me long to make it. I showed you everything. Have a close look at the dress. The dolman sleeves look amazing. Notice that the pockets make me look much slimmer. I recommend everyone making such dresses. This dress was made of very strong jersey fabric. Have a close look at the details. I love this dress. I think that the color is amazing. The shoes match the dress perfectly. The necklace also looks pretty good with the dress. I also have a matching bag. I think that this outfit is very nice. I hope that you like it too. I also have a matching coat. These items will look together perfectly. My dress is of perfect length. It's very important to find the right length for you. The fact that your friend wears knee-level dresses doesn't mean that the same length will suit you. I know that this is my perfect length. Almost all of my dresses are that long. My perfect length is 105 centimeters. Have a close look at the collar. The dress is absolutely amazing. It's not only beautiful, but also very comfortable. The collar is also very comfortable. It's not too tight or too wide. The pockets make me look much slimmer. I strongly recommend you making dresses of such design. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.